All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018 Chrysler 300 all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful red with tan interior, alloy wheels, and chrome reels, premium sound system, stereo controls, heated seats, backup camera, super nice fog lights, only 13,000 miles in this vehicle. And best of all, minimal damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks good. Does seem to have some light scratches here. A few. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 light scratches. Seems to have a little dent there, about 2 inches. No paint off on that. Front fender looks good. Here's your front driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. This quarter looks pretty good. Does have a little dent there with no paint off, about 1 inch. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread here, over 730 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dents or anything up there. You got power windows, power doors, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump into this vehicle. Turn it on for you guys. Does come with the 1 key fob combo and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Obviously, you got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. You got your heated seats and heated steering as well. I think you got vented seats as well. Very nice. Got your backup camera. Boom. Got your AC controls right down below. Look at that backup camera one more time. That looks nice. Alright, steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your HRP cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues in your mods of 13,356. I'm a blind old man. Alright, keeping it moving. Open up the trunk. Here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like. No holes, no tears, or rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Rear bumper looks good. Rear trunk space looks good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's side rim, or passenger side rim. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here. This just under 730 seconds. Let me double check it. Just under 730 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear heated seats and vents. This door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. And it is a powered seat. This fender looks good. This rear front passenger rim looks good. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here is over 730 seconds. Fog lights are working, headlights are working, car looks beautiful. Folks, once again, this is a beautiful 2018 Chrysler 300 all-wheel drive model with 13,000 miles. Any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.